Don't fear, Michael.
But the game is finished. Now you die.
It's pretty warm outside, and the ice cream's going to be flying fast and furious.
The funeral is about to begin, sir. You play a good game, boy.
This guy's not going to leak all over my ice cream, is he? Hey, you had a dream. Just a nightmare.
Now remember, you don't aim a gun at a man unless you intend to shoot him. And you don't shoot a man unless you intend to kill him.
It was little and brown and low to the ground.
Okay. I see it all now. What we gotta do is we gotta snag that tall dude and stomp the shit out of him, and we'll find out what the hell is going on up there. Yeah, we'll lay that sucker out flat and drive a stake right through his goddamn heart.
I've been waiting for you.
I'm just a-sitting here at midnight, and I've been sitting here till noon. You see, my lady left me lonely. Yes, she did. Baby left me blue.